Welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see how to install Google Chrome in Linux using terminal. So first, we need to open the terminal, and to open it, we need to search the terminal here. We need to type the terminal, and this is the application for terminal. We should click it, and now this window is open. In this, we can give the commands to install the Google Chrome. Before installing Google Chrome, we first need to update the Linux, and the command is sudo apt update followed by the password. This will update the Linux packages and it may take some time. First command is done with its execution. Now the second command is sudo apt upgrade. This is also for updating the Linux packages, and this can take some time. Again, it will ask whether you want to continue, so we need to press Y and then enter. Now upgrade command is done with its execution. Now we need to download the Google Chrome package, and for this we will use wget. And in order to check whether wget is installed or not, we need to give the command wget -- version. It will see whether it is installed or not. Now if we'll scroll up, then we can see that wget is installed with version 1.21.3 on this particular Linux. So it means we can use now wget to download the Google Chrome packages. Now we can clear the terminal using clear command, and we can give the wget command with URL in order to get the Google Chrome package. The command is wget https and its full link, which is dl.google.com/linux/direct/Google Chrome stable _current_amd 64.deb. So this is the URL for downloading the Google Chrome package. Here wget is the application name, and this is the URL. Here in this URL, the file name Google Chrome stable current amd 64.deb. This is the package name for the Google Chrome installation. We will press enter and it will download the package. It can take a while. Now the package is downloaded, and we can see the local directory using ls command to check the file name. As we can see that file Google Chrome stable current amd 64.deb is stored in this current directory, and now we can proceed with the installation. To install the Google Chrome package, we need to give the command, and the command is sudo dpkg -i for installation, and followed by the package name, which is Google Chrome stable current amd 64.deb. Now we need to press the enter, and this installation can take some time. Now the command is done with its execution, and now Google Chrome is installed in our Linux. We can clear the terminal, and we can give the command to open the Google Chrome in the Linux, and the command is the Google Chrome Google -Chrome, and it will open the Google Chrome UI. It means that Google Chrome is installed in the Linux successfully, and this is the UI for the Google Chrome. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.